That was Straight No Chaser by Thelonious Monk. Next up, we'll have another playthrough with the count in, and this will provide you with different visuals: the Guitar Pro neck diagram, standard and tablature notation. After that, we'll work step by step through each note of the melody. This should help you get the tune up and running really quick for your next gig, jam session, or your at-home enjoyment. If you do find this video helpful, please hit the like button, subscribe, and leave a comment. And check out our member area here on the YouTube channel. Okay, well, let's get started. We've seen our second playthrough with the visual aids. Let's work on this step by step. Okay, we'll play a lot of this melody in position 5, but we'll also shift into position 4. Much of the melodic content is actually within the first few notes. So we're going to start here in position 5, and we'll play string 5 on fret 3. Okay, like that. So we have 5, string 2, 6, 8, reach over for fret 4, string 1, and then fret 5. And then what I would recommend doing is using alternate picking throughout. So that would give us up, down, up. Okay, then we're going to start out kind of the same way. So backing up there just before measure 2, we have 5, 6, 8, 4, 5, 6, 4. Okay, moving into measure 3 there. Again, we have 5, 6, 8, 4, 5. Back to string 3. 5, 6, 8, 4, 5, 6. Back to string 3 again. 5, 6, 8, and then 4. Okay, and then again, work on picking directions. Up, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up, down. Okay, and then we've actually played this part of the melody before, but this is kind of landing in a different part of the measure. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 1. And then we go into the third measure that's on this screen. Play that again, okay, and then we go into fourth measure on the screen. Just before that, we have that pickup again. And then we're going to play these pickups into the next little segment. And I'll scroll over here. Okay, so from the previous screen, we played this, okay, as we've been playing before. And then we're on this screen, we have 4, 5, 6. And now we're going to do something quite different. So we have the end of 2, that first measure on this screen, and we're going to string 3, fret 5. Now I'm using a 3-finger kind of technique here. So I'm going 5 with finger 1, 6 with finger 1, and then using 2 and 3. And then I do the same thing on string 2, although the rhythm is slightly different. Okay, then I'm going to fret 4. Okay, and then from there we go back to our main melodic theme. As an alternative, you could play one finger per fret. So if you prefer that, you can do that for that chromatic run there. Okay, well, let's go through it again. Okay, so we have that pickup note into our phrase again here with string 3, fret 5. Okay, and then we carry on here. And then again. It's a different direction, kind of accommodates that B flat 7. Okay, so moving through like that. We get to the B flat 7. Okay, F7 here. Okay, and let's move on, scroll over here. Just going to play some of those notes that came before, just those same 3 notes. Okay, and then we get into this chromatic kind of line here. Okay, and there we have it. Thanks for watching this video. Please comment below and let me know how you're doing on the tune, or if you have any questions. For additional resources, check out the description down below. Have a great practice session, and I will see you all in the next one.